Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use the SUMIF function. To use the SUMIF function in this calculation, I am going to show you how to calculate the total donations for the female and the total donations for the male using the SUMIF function. Without further ado, let us get down to business. Now, to find the total donations for the female using the SUMIF function, all you just need to do is you type equal to sum if bracket open, then the range is from E3 down to E12. E3 down to E12, that is the range that I want to evaluate, and the criteria is if they are female. In the gender E3 to E12, I want you to sum the donation if they are female. So you put comma and you highlight the sum range. Close the brackets. Now watch again. From this our formula, I said sum if E3 to E12 is female. That is, sum this donation. Sum the donation if E3 to E12 is female. I hope you understand that. Sum donations, that is, calculate donation if E3 to if E12 is female, and you close the bracket and press enter. Now what this does is it calculates only the donations for the female. Okay, let us do it again for the male. Equal to sum if bracket open. Now the range is E3 to E12. That is where it is going to source for the males, comma, what are we looking for? Males only. And what are you adding, which is the donation, comma, F3 to F12. Then you close the bracket. So Microsoft Excel has automatically calculated the donations for the male and donations for the female. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.